So hello everyone, in this video we will see that how can you install Windows 10 on any pen drive and you can install Windows 10 on any other devices through that pen drive. So it is a very easy process, and in this video I am going to explain you in just few minutes. So for knowing that, you need to watch the video till last. So hello guys, my name is Aditya. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, you might be knowing that if you want to run any computer, PC or laptop or something else in which operating systems are required, so you need to install any operating system, whether it is any type of Linux, Mac or Windows. So it's depending upon you which one you are installing. So if you have any CD-ROM, you can easily install, but if you don't have, you can make any pen drive bootable and you can install using that pen drive on any devices. You can install Windows 10. So for installing it, you need to just follow the steps that I am telling. So first of all, you need to open the CMD. If you have to open, so you need to just go in the start and then you need to search for CMD, and there you will find it easily. If you don't want to go from there easily, you can just press Windows plus R and then you can type the CMD in that run command, and then you need to just hit enter. So the CMD will be open. So after when it is opened, you need to just type disk part. Okay, so when you will type this disk part, it will ask you for the administration permission. So you need to just select over there yes. Now after when you have done, a new window will pop up. So there you need to just type list disk. So when you will type this command will automatically list all the disks that are connected to your computer. So you need to just select the disk one. So basically when you will select this, you need to just remember that you have only selected your pen drive, not your main one hard disk. Your main one hard disk would be always disk 0, so you did not have to select that one. You need to just select your pen drive. So when you will select your pen drive, that would be disk 1 or disk 2. You can just guess it by seeing the capacity of that disk. After when you have selected the disk, you need to just format that pen drive, and then for that you need to just type clean, CLEAN. So when you will type this and hit enter, the pen drive will be automatically formatted. So you need to just now create the partitions. So for creating partition, you need to just type the command which would be create partition primary. So when you will type this command, it will create a primary partition. Be able to see that partition is successfully created. So you need to just type select partition 1. So when you will type this, your partition will get automatically selected, and then you need to type active to activate that partition. So when this all procedure will be done, you need to again format your pen drive once. So you need to just type the command which would be format fs equals to tfs and then quick. So when you will type this command, it will quickly format your pen drive, and then you need to just wait for some time, and you will be able to see that it will take 2 to 3 minutes. You need to wait till it gets to up to 100%. It will show you the percent how much it's completed. So you need to just wait till it get completed to 100%. You will be able to see a message which will be disk part successfully formatted the volume. So when you will be able to see this message, you need to just understand that the pen drive is now bootable. So now the work is not done yet. You need to just copy any Windows setup. So basically here we are installing Windows 10 setup. So in the description you will find the link of the setup. I will upload it on somewhere else. So you need to just go on that link, and then there you will find all the files or the setups that are available. So you need to just download all that, and then you need to copy all the files that I have given in the description. So from there you can just go to that link and you can directly download that files, and you need to just copy all that files or folders whatever are listed there, and then you need to just paste it in the pen drive which one you want to make bootable. So when you will paste this all on your pen drive, you need to just eject your pen drive, and after that you need to insert your pen drive again. So you will be able to see a Windows sign, and then you will be able to see the Windows sign. So you need to just understand that yeah, now your pen drive is bootable. So for installing the Windows 10, you need to just insert your pen drive and just press the boot key of your and select the pen drive in which the Windows is installed, and then you will be able to see the installation wizard of Windows 10, and from there easily you can go and install the Windows. So guys, I hope this video helped you, and if yes, you can subscribe to your channel and turn on the notification bell, and you can like this video. And thank you for watching this video. You can watch some previous content on this channel, and you can just go in the videos tab of our YouTube channel, and then there you will find all the videos that are listed, and you will find on the iCards and all the end cards that are available on YouTube. So from there easily you can find all that. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.